on today's episode. I'm getting deep into a Honda Civic.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this.
All right, back onto this Honda Civic. I got this one all pulled out yesterday, and I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this one apart.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 93 of Inside the Body Shop. So I spent pretty much the whole day on the same job. The Honda Civic hit hard in the back from yesterday's episode. If you guys missed that, be sure to go check it out. Yesterday I put this car on the frame rack and I walked you guys through setting it up and measuring and pulling out all the damage in the back of this Honda Civic. It was stuffed pretty good in the left rear. So today I spent pretty much the whole day cutting this car apart. Now I've had a lot of people that have seen this car and they've messaged me or asked me. They're saying they're surprised it's not a total loss. They're surprised it fixed. Now the way a total loss is factored, it all comes down to the numbers. It comes down to the value of the car, how much the car is worth versus the cost of repairs. Now some insurance companies, it all depends on how they go about it. Some of them will total a car out as low as 60%, 65%, somewhere in that area. And some will go all the way up to 85 to 90% of the value of the car before they'll total it out, because they factor in other things as far as when they take the car and they sell it to the auctions and this and that. They get money out of it that way. So they're looking at a bunch of different factors. The salvage value of the car is what they call it. So there's a lot of things that play into that, whether the car is going to fix or not. But that's what makes a total loss. It's actually not necessarily the damage on the car. It's the cost to repair the car versus the value of the car. But I got in this one, got it all cut apart, and I started fitting up some of my new parts. There's a lot to this one, so it's going to be a few-day project for sure. So hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you do, be sure to click that share button. I really, really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot, so thank you guys. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Check out my day.
Now this one's getting a new outer quarter panel, a new inner structure, and a rear body panel along with taillight pocket and some brackets. It gets this floor extension in here. This one's actually been done before. It's had a rear body panel put on it as well as the floor pan. So it's never fun working with that, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna start cutting this one apart now. All right, I got this one all cut apart now. I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping out my inner structure pieces, the inner quarter panel piece and the floor extension, and start kind of roughly fitting pieces up and go from there. All right, I got this floor extension here. Coming along. That is a wrap for the day though. I'll be back on this one tomorrow.